Hi friends, welcome to the Nationalist View, and we are going to talk about Corona pandemic today. You must have watched a lot of videos on this, but I am going to take a very different perspective. I'm going to talk about certain positive aspects, as we know that it's like a kind of pall of gloom has descended over the whole nation, and we see the way media has been hyperactive, and in fact it has created an atmosphere as if an apocalypse has come. But there are a large number of organizations and individuals who are creating a lot of positivity, and I think it's high time that we talk about that. If we really want to fight this pandemic as a society together, I think one organization which has always played a stellar role in similar situations, that is Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. We need to learn from the way the volunteers of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh are working selflessly, quietly, creating positive atmosphere, doing a lot of good work for people instead of just forwarding the fake news or the doomsdayers messages on the WhatsApp. So I'll just give you a brief glimpse of how the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh volunteers, putting their lives at stake at this time, have come forward to help the Indian society, the Bharatiya society, in fighting pandemic. And this is a story which gives you a lot of hope. This is a story which gives you a lot of positivity. So I will just share a few details with you. Uh, the RSS volunteers, so they have started they are broadly working in 12 different areas, and which includes isolation centers for suspected COVID patients, COVID care or COVID service centers for COVID positive people, assistance. They are providing assistance in government run COVID centers and hospitals. They have set up telephone helplines at several places at district level and in almost all the states for assistance to COVID COVID patients and their family members. Blood donation, they are carrying out plasma donation, they are carrying out, they are providing assistance in carrying funerals, because we know there are a lot of families which are sadly in a situation where they are not able to even carry or do the perform the last rites of their loved ones. Then the distribution of Ayurvedic Kada, counseling, oxygen supply and ambulance service, facilitating that. The distribution of food, ration and masks, and creating awareness around vaccination campaigns. So all these activities are being carried out at various levels in almost all the localities where the RSS has a presence. So the RSS volunteers are working there. Then organizations which are inspired by RSS like Seva Bharati, so they are also working there, and they are working along with the local administration to provide this support. For example, in Indore, on the RSS initiative, with the cooperation of the government, private hospital, and Radha Swami Satsanga spiritual sect, we know a significantly large COVID center has been set up. It is going to be scaled up to 2000 beds soon. It has emerged as an excellent example of how the government, the private sector, and the social organizations can come together and work to fight this pandemic. Then, if we look at the data, up to 27th of April, the data collected by the RSS shows officially that they are working now in, they have set up COVID Seva Kendra, that is COVID service centers in 43 major cities. The administration of COVID hospitals is also being supported at 219 other locations. There are around 2,500 vaccination centers that have been started by the RSS volunteers to speed up the vaccination, because we know that ultimately it appears that vaccination is the final solution to fighting this pandemic. Then, to give you another example, in Pune, 600 plasma units. We know that Pune was one of these severely affected areas as far as COVID pandemic is concerned. So 600 plasma units were made available in Pune by Swayamsevaks, which saved lives of 1500 people. And there are a large number of NF such stories. And I would request my viewers that let's learn from how the RSS is doing it. Let's come together and fight this pandemic. And if there are any such stories, uh, which are there and which you would like to share with us, you can shoot these stories. You can shoot that on your mobile phone and share with us the unsung heroes and the unsung such warriors who are helping out to fight this pandemic. And once again, let's create an atmosphere of positivity. Let's work together to fight this pandemic, and surely we will win. And let's give a big no to all the those who are trying to create an atmosphere of negativity and projecting as if an apocalypse has come. India has been a very resilient society. We have faced severe onslaughts in the past in all forms, and we have come out victorious and will come out victorious this time also. The only thing is that right now, instead of criticizing, instead of pointing out mistakes, it is important that we do constructive work. And if we are not able to do it, at least we keep on forwarding the good positive stories and the constructive work done by others to motivate and inspire all others. Stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll meet soon with our next video. Thank you.